I dropped more merchandise and it's actually sick this time. I'll pop up some pictures of the other colors and shirts and sweatshirts that I got. Bury the needle, clear your head, AKA take a drive and clear your head. We all do it. I do it, you do it, we all do it. So I represented it on a sweatshirt. These are way better quality than the last ones and they're cheaper. And every single dollar that you spend gets you one entry to win a $200 gift card to Throttle. First link in my description, go check them out. They're freaking awesome, they're comfortable, and they actually fit. This is just an XL. I'm an XL, it fits me like an XL. So go check it out, first link in my description. Again, cheaper, better quality, and it gets you entered to win a gift card this time, so it's not just, oh, buy my merch. Welcome to the video, baby. Everybody say good morning to Baba Ganoush. Good morning, Baba Ganoush. Oh, Mr. Ganoush, you look absolutely disgusting. And it's all my fault. Sound of my people, baby, let's go. So recently when I've been like driving around for a little bit and I start the car when it's hot, it cranks over for like way too long. If anyone has any idea what that is, if my engine has lost compression, that'd be, you know, fantastic. Or if like something major went out like the fuel pump, that'd be pretty cool too. I love a little bit of fun, you know? I'm a fun guy. I like fun stuff. I like when fun things fail. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's like ever so slightly misfiring under like light load when it's cold. If you hear that, that's not good, dude. Basically what I'm trying to say is my car's falling apart. Bam. We've got 85,000 miles on this thing now, which is actually like insane to me. I cannot believe it. I got this car at 30,000 miles. I guess I just drive it a ton, dude. It's a freaking workhorse, bud. But I feel like for having 85,000 miles, this thing has had like almost no issues aside from like the spark plug blowing, which was probably my fault, and then a coil pack failing, which, you know, it is what it is, not a big deal, right? I wanna know how many miles you guys have on your STs and RSs, but let me know about some of the issues you guys are facing with your cars right now, because I'm starting to try and like plan for failures, and one of the first things I think that's gonna fail, if I'm correct about like what's going on with my car right now. Also, should I spit more? I don't know. I can see it coming out of my mouth. I could see the fuel pump going out. I could see that being a thing, but thankfully, you know, you boys got engaged, right? It is what it is. So the fuel pump's right there. And by the way, everybody thinks that's a subwoofer, which I think is freaking hilarious because it is the opposite of a subwoofer. It's a subwoofer to my fuel system. Give me those fucking bags of power, baby. But yeah, let me know what you guys got going on with your cars so I can start planning for all the failures to come, if any. I mean, maybe not, right? I wonder how much horsepower that tree's got. It's got to be pushing like 350 at least. He's fucking teasing me. Get out of here! CMA stands for Capybara Marry Animals. AMR stands for Amazing Mural Ruthlessnesses. I didn't complete high school. Hey, how's that? I actually did complete high school. That's a joke. I completed high school, barely. And that's why I'm here, dude. Got ourselves a little hot boy with the hood scoop. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like something broke on top of it and fell and landed and sealed itself. If that was a hood scoop, I'm copping one. I don't know about you, I'm copping that. You know what I say, dude? I say, why not, dude? A lot of the time, I just say, why not? Why not take the curvy road, dude? Why would you not do it? I don't understand. Even if it adds 5 to 10 minutes to your journey, what you doing if you don't take it? Damn, it's aggressively wrong. Oh, yep, it still does it. Thought that was a cop, it's not, we're all good. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, you know what, dude? Actually, I'm sorry. I'm holding the wheel completely wrong. There we go. That's how we drive down curvy roads, right? Yeah, I like to just grip it and rip it, dude. That's what my grandpa always taught me. And he never drove a day in his life, so probably good advice. You know, actually, this increases your range of motion because now when you flick the wrist like this, it cramps your whole forearm, so it's perfect. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna blow up my car. I've been hard on this thing, dude, for real. Like, for all like the miles that I've driven on this and how hard they've been, I have so much respect for this car. And I always have, obviously. I mean, goddamn, I built a whole channel around them. If you're considering getting one, get it. Oh shoot, I keep putting my hand in the wrong position. Sorry guys, it's supposed to go up here. Yeah, that feels better. Yeah, that feels way better, honestly. I like this better. Let me slump a little bit more, actually. Oh, that's prime. You know what? I think I'm just gonna stay like this. Oh my God, that grandma just looked at me while I was doing that with such a disapproving look. What's up, primals? I still have single port sitting in my closet. I understand that I've been saying that for like literally a year now. And I don't think you guys have seen it except for when I did the actual turbo install. I took it out of the packaging. No idea what I'm supposed to do with that or how to put it on really, but now that the car's got 85,000 miles on it, I'm wondering, is it worth pushing it that hard? You know what I mean? Wow, why is that wet? Oh, because it was raining? Or I'm just blasting oil. What is that? No, that's just rain. We're okay. Why is there sand in here? What the okay, cool. That's not good. Oh well. Wow, this whole thing needs to get detailed like really, really bad. So recently I replaced all my coil packs and spark plugs because this one blew, not this specific one. The Whoosh brand has been great so far, but I had NGK's oh my God. Dude, look at all this buildup. Look at all that. What is that? I mean, it's oil. I gotta do a head gasket replacement. Oh! But yeah, so I'm just wondering, like, is it worth slapping on another 50 wheel horsepower when, you know, I'm not completely sure how this thing's doing? I don't want it to die. Like, first of all, this is my daily driver. If any of you guys are running single port, please let me know. I'd love to know what your experience is like. The one reason I do think single port would be really cool is because I'm pushing my stock fueling system like pretty hard right now. Kind of to the point where it's at the limit, obviously, and it's not unsafe, but I've noticed when I get in the higher RPMs when I'm under full throttle, I'm in like the low 13s for air to fuel ratio, which is like not great. Talked to Jason about it multiple times. He said it's totally fine. He runs a lot of his cars like that. Not a big deal, but it just in my head, it just sounds weird. So I was thinking if I just put the single port on, I can at least get the air to fuel ratios down. I don't necessarily need to run any more power, but if I could get the air to fuel ratios down to like, you know, mid 11s or to low 11s, which is where I feel like they're supposed to be at. But again, I'm not a tuner. I'm not a mechanic. That's just what I've seen. And I guess all cars are different, right? Let me know if you guys are running single port and what your thoughts are on what I just said about whether it's a good idea just to like lower the air to fuel ratio. Let me know. We're in Rancho Santa Fe right now. Let's go see if we can see any cool cars because I feel like there's just crazy stuff parked on the side of the street here all the time. Oh my God, that is so sick. Oh my gosh, that's a Tesla. Holy cow. Oh my God, guys, I see my freaking dream car right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, that is so clean. Oh my God, a Tacoma. Oh! All right, I'm being for real right now. This one's actually super freaking sick. Dude, a stock body GLK 350, dude. Are you kidding me? So sick. Oh my gosh, a 2008 Yukon XL, dude. Get out of here. So sick. God. Back to the curves, baby. Oh shoot, I forgot again. Hand up on 12 o'clock. This is how you steer. Way easier when you're going fast, as you can tell. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. Oh, this feels terrible. I'm also trying to figure out, when does my clutch go out, dude? I've had this hybrid turbo on my car for quite a while now, and no slipping at all. I mean, it's been great, but some days it does feel a little odd. Like, it doesn't feel like it's slipping, but it feels like weaker or like clunky for some reason. I don't know what it is. Apparently, we have dual mass flywheels, which means like, you don't really feel it when it's about to go out. It just goes out. And, you know, we've only got 85K. We're still young, right? We're still young. When people say they're 85-year-old, you're like, oh, you're pretty young, right? That means that my car's young. So we're good. So I'm gonna pop up this text on the screen really quick, somewhere over here. So basically what happened was I got called out for a little race. There's this guy that I've known for a long time that I used to work next to, and he's a cool dude. But he just got a 2022 Genesis G70, which is a 3.3 liter twin turbo, and they're no joke. I mean, they're quick cars, right? But he basically says, hey man, like, we should do a little race, you know? And I was like, all right, like, how much power are you making? You know, how much does it weigh? And he doesn't even answer the question. He just goes, I'd win, but I think it'd be fun. And I was like, wait a second, dude, hold on. So again, I asked him, how much power is it making? How much does it weigh? And he says like 370 something horsepower at 4,200 pounds. And I'm like, okay, wait a second, dude. Like, I make about 300 wheel horsepower at 2,500 pounds. I don't think you'd win, dude. Like, I don't think he grasped the concept of power to weight. So, you know, he sees 376 versus 300 and he's like, oh, I got this, which is funny. And he's, again, this is my friend I'm talking about here. This is not like some random dude. He says, let's do a dig. And I'm like, no, dude, I'm not doing a dig race. I'm just gonna spin. That's not how it works. So I think we agreed on like a 40 or a 50 roll or something like that in the end, but we'll see how that goes because I really don't know. I mean, I would like to think, you know, 300 wheel horsepower-ish at 25 or so 100 pounds versus 376 horsepower at 4,200 pounds. I'm pretty sure I'd win like by a decent margin. I should walking pretty good. I always just compare myself to Ryan's WRX, which I raced, and that was such a close race. I'm sure if we had more room, he'd pull on me a little bit for sure. I don't think I would win that race. Also, that Datsun that I raced, dude, that thing was no joke either, and we kind of pulled on each other a few times differently, which was crazy to me. So anyways, I just thought that was kind of funny that we got called out in the Fiesta. I'm gonna try and set that up for us to do so we can see, you know, who takes what, see what the real winner is, and we'll go from there, baby. All right, boys, do not forget to grab some clothing from the website to get entered to win a $200 gift card. Again, every dollar you spend gets you one entry to win this item. I will catch you boys in the next one. Peace. Oh, by the way, the turbo for the Miata gets here in like 2 days, so that install will come soon. Okay, bye again.